Split PDF pages with PicoPDF. Open your file and go to the Pages tab, then click Split PDF. You can choose to split after a specific page to create two files or split all pages into separate PDF files. Confirm your selection by clicking the Split PDF button, then choose a folder to save the split files. Continue watching this tutorial for more details on how to split pages of a PDF with PicoPDF. PicoPDF makes it easy to split your PDF into smaller files. To get started, open your PDF in PicoPDF by clicking the Open button or dragging the file into the application. Once the file is open, go to the Pages tab and click the Split PDF button. This will open the Split PDF dialog box. In the dialog box, you'll see two options for splitting your document. The first option is Split After Page, which divides your PDF into two separate files. Simply enter a page number. This page will be the last in the first file, and all pages after it will be included in the second file. The page ranges for both files will be displayed below this option and will automatically update based on the page number you enter in the text box. The second option is Split All Pages. This creates a separate PDF for every single page in your document. So if you have 10 pages, you'll get 10 PDF files. PicoPDF will also show you how many files will be created when you choose this option. Once you've made your selection, click the Split PDF button. A dialog will appear, allowing you to choose a folder where you want to save the split files. For more PicoPDF tutorials, visit the address shown on your screen.